In the rhythm of a rising nation, where ambition meets precision, where power becomes possibility, one name stands as a symbol of engineering mastery: Alfa Switchgear India Pvt Ltd. Founded in 1989, Alfa Switchgear is a 37-year strong power distribution legacy.
We are a very strong experience in power sector.
Built on trust, discipline, and relentless progress. For more than 3 decades, we have been shaping the electrical backbone of modern industry, delivering high-performance low-voltage and medium-voltage up to 36 kW panel solutions, engineered for endurance, intelligence, and absolute reliability. Born in Tamil Nadu with a bold vision, today Alfa Switchgear stands global in reach and mindset.
Globally proven company ABB, we are the channel partner, and also Larsen Foods and LK, we are a channel partner.
We have been exporting since 2013, successfully executing projects across 15 plus countries, serving key regions including the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Pan-Africa, and South Asia, with a strong international foundation in place. Alfa Switchgear continues to expand its global footprint across the world. Every journey begins with understanding.
415 volt to 36 kVA, we are doing manufacturing our activities.
Studying environments, loads, risks, regulations, and future growth. From inside emerges design. Our expert engineering teams translate requirements into intelligent electrical architectures, meticulously crafted layouts that balance power flow, protection, efficiency, safety, and spatial harmony.
And good infrastructure, good equipments, manufacturing process we have.
All designs conform to IEC 61439 for low voltage panels and IEC 62271 series for medium voltage panels, backed by CPRI type testing. Then, vision becomes form, finds every contour. World-class bending technology sculpts strength into structure, delivering absolute dimensional integrity and flawless consistency. Surface becomes shield. Through advanced powder coating processes, each panel gains resilience against time, corrosion, climate, and demand. Finished to international standards of durability, protection, and refined aesthetics. Structure becomes system. Inside our assembly halls, skilled hands integrate intelligence into every frame, aligning components, routing power, and building reliability into every connection. Our panels are built under ISO certified systems. Lean manufacturing practices and 5S and PMS discipline, ensuring consistency, quality, and zero compromise at every stage. Systems becomes assurance. Each panel undergoes rigorous functional testing, safety verification, and performance validation using NABL-approved testing systems, ensuring operational excellence and global compliance before dispatch. And through it all, safety remains sacred. Every process protects people, performance, and purpose. Driven by strategic partnerships, Alfa Switchgear is an authorized MV panel builder, enabling world-class solutions for utilities. Innovation is not a destination, it is our discipline. A constant pursuit of smarter design, stronger engineering, and future-ready solutions in a world that never slows. From India to the world, from precision to power, from legacy to the future, Alfa Switchgear. Think to win. We empower your electrical needs globally.